Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Please, if it is your first time to come across my channel, do well to subscribe. Again, feel at home. You are safe here and nothing changes but to keep you safe. Are you looking for a remote job? Are you a student? Or are you a housewife? Or you are just looking for another job that will earn more income to your pocket? This video is for you. There are online businesses you can do. I call them side hustle. So there are side hustles you can do which does not require qualification. It does not require any level, any academic level. It does not require anything. There is no experience. A woman can do it, a man can do it, a child can do it, everybody can do it, including you watching this video. You can do it. Just select an online business from home and do it all over the world and make up to 1,250 US dollar every month. Just do it. Imagine 1,250 US dollar every month. Make money from your smartphone. Do this to make 1,200 USD dollar every month. Like I said earlier, anybody can do it, including you watching this video. But before I proceed, I would want you to subscribe to my channel so that each time I drop a new video, you will get it straight away. YouTube will not charge you for subscribing to my channel. It's just free. Even the video you're watching is free of charge. I does not charge people to watch my video. So feel at home here. All these businesses I'm about to show you are very legit. It's what people do to make money online every day. The smartphone you're holding can do it for you and give you enough money. Like I said earlier, it does not require any experience to do all these side hustles I'm about to show you now. What you need is just your smartphone and internet connection. That is what you need to do all these side hustles that I'm about to share. So there are many jobs you can do online to get paid. But the one I'm about to refer you, one of it is to get paid to read messages. So how does that sound to you? You just read message, you will get paid. You work to earn money every time. You earn to earn money online just to read message. Read the message, you reply to the message you have read, just as you used to chat online. You say hello, the other person will say hi, something like that. You make it. The more conversation you have with people, the more money you are making every day. Like I said earlier, you can make up to 1,250 US dollar every month for just doing this. So you does not need any experience. What you need to read message and get paid. To read message and get paid is to just have a smartphone or a laptop, and another thing is to have internet connection. That is just the only thing you need, and I recommend Chat Factory as one of the platforms in which you can do this job. Chat Factory. Their website is www.chatfactory.com. So another one is to complete paid survey. There are survey outside there where you can do and get money online. And imagine getting just answering question online. That is the survey I'm talking about. Some people are looking for people. Some companies are looking for people who will review our product for them. They ask people like you answer the question and get paid. So you can search online the legit one to get and take survey. The legit platform where you can take survey and get paid. As a student, this is the best side hustle for you because it does not take much of your time. You can do it when you are free. Maybe when you are back from lecture hall, you can do it in your house. You can do it when you wake up in the morning. You can do it anytime you have time for do it. To me, I recommend it to you as a student that it is the best hustle, side hustle for you. So another thing that you can do to make money online is to sell items you don't need anymore, such as your laptop that you don't need anymore, your phones you don't need anymore, your clothes you don't need anymore, or any other iron you don't need anymore to the people that needs it. There are people that are buying waste products or waste bill. You sell for them and make your money instead of throwing it away. You can make money from those things. Another one is play game and earn money. You play game, there is nothing that it will take you to play game. Does not need any experience, as I said earlier. It doesn't need any experience. You just play game. The more game you're playing, the more money you're making. How long you play the game determines how much you are making. And another thing is how perfect you are in playing game determines how much you will make as well. It doesn't take anything, and I recommend it as a side hustle for you. Do this and earn 1,250 US dollar every month. Doesn't take you anything. Another one is to become a freelance photographer. What does freelance photography or photographers does? They only snap pictures for companies and get paid. They take videos for companies and get paid. Companies pays them. Companies pay them a good amount of money for snapping pictures for them and for taking or shooting videos for them in every occasion. The people that do this earn between $1,000 US dollar to 5,000 US dollar every month. You can do that as well. There is nothing and there is no limit of people that they can hire. So just look for a freelance photography job and apply online and do it anywhere all over the world. Another one is to engage in freelance writing. There are companies, there are websites, there are blog owners that are looking for people who will assist them in writing. You can assist them as well to earn more money. Remember that freelancers earns between 1,500 US dollar to 10,000 US dollar every month, depending their experience. In this regard, you need experience such as speaking English very well and also having internet connection, having your smartphone and being brilliant also, and so that you can create the text or write what the company wants you to write always. Another one that you can do to make money is to edit video and earn money. You edit video for people and earn your money. There are content creators who need a perfect editor who will edit video very well. So if you have experience in editing video, this is the best opportunity for you to make money with your smartphone or with your laptop. You don't need to relax and be watching your phone or be operating your phone. You can monetize your phone and make your phone to become a money-making machine. You can turn that your mobile phone, your smartphone you're holding to a money-making machine by editing video for people. Also, you can make money as well by making logo for people as well. There are companies, both macro and micro companies looking for good logo maker to make logo for them. When you make logo for them, you earn more money every day. There is no limited amount of how much you can earn. The more logo you make, the more money you make every day. Then another one is entering data job. You employ yourself for entering data for companies. These companies are looking for people who will be transferring data from one template to another. Those data, you are not expected to be the one gathering the data. No, the data that you're about to do or data you're about to transform or enter are already in place. Your job is just to transfer them to another paper or to another template. And when you do that, you earn a good amount of money. You can earn between 300 US dollar to 1000 US dollar every month by doing this. You see, you can monetize your phone. Your phone can become a money making machine for doing that. Another one you can do is to send message and earn money. This sending of message and earning money is to read email for companies and earn money. You read email and earn money. How does this happen? You are reading the email that their clients sent to them. After reading it, you reply those clients. And when you do it, you get paid. You are not reading those emails on your own. The companies or company that you're working for have employed you. You get paid when you read the email and reply to them. Just to attend to their customers, always attend to them and approach them the way the company is supposed to approach them. You don't approach them as yourself, but as the company. And when you do this, you earn a good amount of money. So these jobs, I have done research very well and find out that it is part of the business that people do to make money online every day. Do this while you stay at home. Those are the jobs you can do at home with your smartphone or with your laptop and make money. Subscribe to this channel, please. Like this video so that YouTube will recommend it for more people. Share this message as well and comment, because your comment is very important. It will help us to improve more. Please, thank you for watching.